Back to zero. We're going through the clean out. In the restroom, there's a clean out behind the toilet, which is a proper size for the camera inspection. The clean out that you have in the front is only a 2-inch clean out, and it is dangerous for us to stick our mainline camera through there. At the same time, you should never have anybody snake out the mainline through there. You get caught up in a bunch of roots that's clogging up the 4-inch line, they're going to have an issue pulling back. Back up again. Okay, right about here, this is where your cast iron pipe exits the building and it ends up transitioning into clay pipe. Go ahead. You need to get a mainline clean out installed right there. That is the ultimate place to put it. And let's keep going. Coming up, we see some roots. Let's slow down a bit, get a good visual on that. That's about 21 foot out from our location where we're at. Go ahead. Well, there's a lot of roots right there. Go ahead. See if you can pass it. Camera won't go?
No, it won't go.
Alrighty. So basically, you got a huge root intrusion right here. I can't even give you an estimate on what it's going to cost to change out your sewer line because I have to measure the distance of how long this sewer line is going to have to be. So the first things first is to install a mainline clean out, and then from at that point, what we're able to do is properly hydrojet the line out and get the line opened up so the camera could pass through, and then we can go from there. Obviously that section right there needs to be repaired. For the most part, the rest of the line looks good. Even the cast iron looks good, but at this joint you seem to have these root intrusions. There's a possibility you may not even need to change out your whole sewer line. You know, that section right there could be it. So what we're going to do here is, first things first, we're going to go back to that transition, and I'm going to locate where that is, and then we're going to push it out to where the roots are at, and where the big problem with them, not the first one, the second one that you saw, and we're going to locate that and measure the depth and all that, so I can provide you an estimate to do this. That would be the first initial step to take. At the moment, the tenant is complaining that when he runs the laundry, their water starts backing out of the toilet. And walking in here, I did see a lot of wet towels on the ground because of it. As you can see, the reason why that is, it's pretty obvious. There's a high restriction of water flow going out there because of the roots.